Hello everyone, welcome back to CustomPrint Studios. Now I know that lately everyone has been asking about our workshop, how it goes, and some common questions like is it free? And so we like to, I thought maybe we should just show it to you guys. Now I would like to introduce to you our intern. Come on.
Hi everyone, I'm Rishabh and I'm really excited to be here with all of you today.
Okay, so Rishabh's a great intern, has been with us for a few weeks now. And what have you brought today to print?
I brought this shirt to print with you guys today.
I think this t-shirt a bit too big for you.
Yeah.
If you have something that is nice for you to print on, okay, that's fine. If not, you can always spend $20 with us and you can get a t-shirt of your choice. We have a wide selection of different type of t-shirts and colors and sizes as well, from unisex to ladies cut to even for kids. Okay, so why don't you choose a t-shirt for yourself, and we will also throw in a coffee mug as well for you to print on.
That sounds great.
Okay, let's go and choose.
Alright.
Okay, you done?
Yep, you got this shirt.
Okay, very nice dark heather cotton t-shirt. Okay, and how about the coffee mug?
Yes, right here. Got this.
Wow, you know how to choose, huh? So this is a black color changing mug. Okay, it's gonna look really awesome. So let's go ahead and start processing your prints.
Sounds great.
Let's go. Okay, so Rishabh, are you ready with your design? Is your design ready for printing?
Yeah, I do have two designs in mind for printing later.
Okay.
Do you mind if I WhatsApp them to you?
Yep, sure, please. Right. You can either WhatsApp to me or email to us as well. And one really important thing to note is that before coming for the workshop, it would be best if you can have your images or your design ready for printing so that we can go right into it. Now let's have a look at Rishabh's design. Oh, Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball fan. Okay, so are you going to print it in black color?
What other color options do you have available?
Oh, we do have quite a lot of color options. Look at this. These are Caesar heat transfer vinyls. Okay, we have them in a wide range of colors and different effects. You can print them on cotton, polyester, even lycra fabrics, even nylon, waterproof, fire retardant fabrics. So if you bring your umbrella, we can print it, yeah?
I think this one will suit the design really well. It reminds me of Iron Man actually.
Okay, cool. Okay, so that was for the t-shirt, and how about the mug?
I also have another design for the mug.
Show me.
Alright, here.
Dragon Ball again. So this mug printing is under Sublimation printing.
Alright.
So for this we're going to use the Sawgrass and Caesar Easy Subli inks. The best part about using the Sawgrass and Caesar Easy Subli inks is that everything is so perfectly calibrated for you. So if I'm printing on a ceramic glass or ceramic mug, I just need to choose this on the substrate and that's it. It will be perfectly printed out. Okay, but of course I need to mirror this as well because I'm printing this on a mug. Okay, so this is the image here and that's it. There's nothing else to adjust and just print. So this is how it looks like. It's mirrored and now we're gonna print it on the mug. Cool. Alright, so you done?
Yep.
Alright, show me. Show us. Wow. I think that will look really cool on the t-shirt.
I think so too.
Okay. Alright, so this is PS Electric. You just heat press it for 15 seconds.
15 seconds,
okay?
alright.
Swing it over and then press. Be careful not to touch the heat plate, that's all. Okay? 10 seconds. 9, 8. Smile. You get excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, come. Alright, okay. From the top, put it down. PS Electric.
Wow.
Cool.
Nice.
Nice? Like it?
Nice. Yeah, I love it.
Wow, love it. Okay, fantastic. Now let's move away to the marks.
Oh, great. Okay.
Okay, so for the mark, it's paper right now. So you gotta trim away the unwanted areas.
Alright.
You gotta trim off. Make sure you trim away the grey line. If not, it's gonna go on to the mark.
Okay.
So now we wait.
Alright. Eh? The mark's becoming white?
Of course, like it's a color changing mark.
Ah.
You can see the outer part's becoming white already. The center part's still cold, that's why it's black.
Okay.
Okay. So going by this logic, you will have no fear of holding the handle later.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Power first. Okay. Alright, good. Slide it out. Okay. And you need to remove the paper. So do it carefully. Who asked you to overlap the tape, man?
This one.
Cool. Wow, Richard, good job, well done. Look at this t-shirt, nice. Wow, and then your mark, you like it?
Yep, I love it.
Alright, so how was the experience for you?
Wow, I had a lot of fun today and I will sure be coming back to do this soon in the future.
Okay, great. We look forward to seeing you again.
Alright.
And so this is the CustomPrint Studios workshop. Do feel free to bring your friends and family along. You're welcome to bring your own t-shirt, your bags, even caps or even an umbrella if you want to customize on it. But if not, you're also welcome to purchase a t-shirt and a mug from us for printing during the workshop. So this is CustomPrint Studios. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Bye bye.